Welcome to the Magic of Math, where today we're going to write a fraction as a repeating decimal. We'll look at 7/11ths, and we're going to determine how to write that as a decimal. Here's our question today. We're asked which of the following is equivalent to 7/11ths, and we're given 4 answer choices to pick from. Please pause the video now, do your best work, and then come back and hit play to see mine. Welcome back. So we're going to determine 7/11ths as a decimal. So let's review. This is 7 divided by 11. So we're going to say that right out loud as we write it. 7 divided by 11. I often have students say, which number goes inside? Well, write it as you say it. 7 divided by 11. All right. Let's set this up. We're going to add a decimal point. We're going to add a bunch of zeros. So we're ready to go. And we're going to bring our decimal point straight up. And we know that 11 does not go into 7. So we're going to start with that leading 0. All right. 11 goes into 70 6 times. 6 times 11 is 66. 70 subtract 66 is 4. I'd like to mention here that this question, if I asked students, they would never have access to a calculator. They would need to be able to do this long division on their own. All right, let's bring down our 0. We have 40. 11 goes into 40 3 times. 3 times 11 is 33. 40 subtract 33 is 7. Let's bring down a 0. 11 goes into 70 6 times. 6 times 11 is 66. 70 subtract 66 is 4. We can start to see a pattern forming. Bring down a 0. 11 goes into 40 3 times. 3 times 11 is 33. 40 subtract 33 is 7. So we can see that we have an alternating pattern here. That's enough to stop and say that we have 6, 3, 6, 3. These digits are going to repeat, so we're going to add the vinculum on top, and we can write it as 0.63 repeating, which is answer choice C. And there's how you write a fraction as a repeating decimal using long division. Thanks for joining me today at the Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you'll subscribe, come back soon, and have a great day.